full video review of Sizzle Rooftop Bar and Restaurant in Phuket. Found at the luxurious resort Avista Hideaway, Phuket, Patong MGallery, near Freedom Beach. Sizzle is a chic and modern rooftop bar and restaurant, offering a fusion of flavor and ambiance. Natural, spacious, and elevated, the rooftop terrace blends stylish dining tables with comfy lounge spots and a sleek bar, all surrounded with panoramic views over the Andaman Sea, offering an amazing sunset display. At the Sizzle Rooftop Restaurant, you can dive into an ocean-to-table experience with live seafood tanks,